Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andrew Schwalik, and we're gonna get straight to the point. We're gonna be unboxing this. This is the Arris SURFboard Modem, specifically the SURFboard 6183 model. This is a modem that you use through your internet service provider, however you set up your internet, to get yourself connected to the actual Wi-Fi that you have. Look at this box. Isn't it hilarious? You're gonna be surfing the internet? I love puns. Arris is a pretty common name when it comes to modems and internet technology. It's been around for a while, and I've done my research. Instead of going with the router modem pair together that you can get from your internet service provider, which I'm gonna have Spectrum, I said, no, I'm not paying $5 a month for your older type of modem slash router combo. I'm getting my own, and this is what I've got. Now, the reason that I did this is, one, I want to save money. Two, because usually your internet service provider will not have the most updated routers and modems. Plus, having your internet router and modem connected together doesn't always lead to the best performance, and you can't customize it as much as you would like to. I did a ton of research, which is the third reason why I wanted to get my own, because this one is supposed to be pretty good. It can handle great speeds, plus it can connect with my Google Wi-Fi router. And if you haven't seen it yet, I made a video of the unboxing of the Google Wi-Fi router, so go and check that out. It's gonna be pretty good, and unboxing things is super fun, and Google has great packaging, so thumbs up for that one. Check the video out. Well, let's get to it. We're gonna actually unbox this, what you've actually came to this video to see. But if you do want to see the actual review of how this modem is going to be working, especially with my Google Wi-Fi router, make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's at Andrew Schwalik, literally my name. It's super simple. I'm gonna go live on Periscope and talk about how this modem router combo is working, how easy it was to get set up, if it's working great with Spectrum, all of that kind of jazz. So make sure you're following me on Twitter. And now let's get to it, the unboxing. It's game time. We are gonna be opening up this lovely Arris SURFboard modem box and see what it looks on the inside. Here we go. Pull, okay. So we've got some cables. We have the power cable, very simple, very nice. Then we have the Ethernet cord, if people even still use these. This is the actual modem itself. It's so simple, it's even smaller than the size of my hand. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I love the color white, so this makes me really happy that this is what it looks like. Plus it is so small, it's so compact, yet so powerful. Can't wait to try it out. Instructions. Usually I'm not an instructions guy, but I feel like when I'm setting up a modem, I'm gonna need instructions. Stop having trouble, call us at this number. Hopefully I won't have trouble. We have some more paperwork and other random things that we don't need. All right, well, the box is now empty. We have the main things here that you really need to worry about. The instructions, which you might need to actually set this up. You have the power cable. You have the Ethernet cord, which I'm not actually sure if you need this or not when you're setting up cable Wi-Fi, but I'll keep you posted on that one. And then we have the actual modem itself. These four things right here are really the only things you need to worry about. The potential Ethernet cord, the power cord, the modem itself, and the instructions. And really, these are the only things in the box, so you're pretty much good to go. Well, there you have it. You have now seen what is inside this lovely little Arris SURFboard modem box. And like I said earlier, make sure you're following me on Twitter. It's just at Andrew Schwalik, totally simple, so that you can end up asking me questions and seeing my actual review of how this modem is working out for me, especially in unison with my Google Wi-Fi router. All right, I'll see you guys on Twitter, and hopefully your Wi-Fi speeds are going really fast. I'm out. Yo, thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxings, tech reviews, and how-tos, you can subscribe right over here. Now, click that little bell so you can be the first to see all my new videos. Now, on to the next one.